Say again? I thought it was Stefan because of the wheels.
It was born on the way down here. But the
Well, you can say this is popping. A lot of people here. We're setting up the Magna tent now. Actually, a lot more people than I expected, especially with the weather. And yeah, hopefully we'll have a good time. There's Jason.
got it.
And everybody over here. It's a team effort here putting up the tent.
What does it take to put up a tent?
Right?
Yeah.
Stefan, I thought you'd have this down to a T already.
Dude, I'll tell you right now. My garage the whole time.
And here we go. What are you doing, Joe?
Making some flames.
He took over the grill duties for me because I'm running around like a chicken with my head cut off. There's a lot of people here. Scott brought his truck. Actually, there's a CTSV over there, it looks like. It's a good day.
He owns a huge business.
All right, so it is a Buick meet. There's a Buick. And the Cyclone, the redhead. Where's Jordan at? There's Jordan, finally showed up.
He was here not that late.
Not that late. Magna tent's up. The weather's not cooperating, but so far the turnout's good. And I think everybody enjoyed their food. Yeah, I got messy real quick, but good stuff. So anyways, it's wee hours of the night, and we're finally, well, wait a minute. What is that? 9:22. We're finally wrapping it up here. Stefan, Derek, and Damien. But yeah, we can say that it was a productive day, busy. A lot of running around.
Hey, buddy. Thank you.
Later, man. Thank you for coming.
Anytime. I'll be back. I'll try not to kill your turbo on the way home.
All right. Hey, keep an eye on your air fuel ratio.
What should I be worried at?
Anything higher than 12.7 when you're on it.
What are we gonna get on it?
All right, you got your alky on too?
Yeah, but I didn't even get into Alki on the way.
All right.
Peace.
Later, man. Well, anyways, that wraps it up. It was a nice day today. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Hit the like button, subscribe. Until the next one.